Okay, water feature. If you're going for a drain, yours will probably be attached. I went for a detached one that I can take out and scrub, or take out and modify. When he grows up, if he needs a bigger one, I can make it bigger without having to modify major parts of the cage. If I want it smaller, if he ends up getting huge for this cage and I need more land space, I can make a smaller water feature. So I made a removable one. It's made out of the same materials, the same woods and pond liner that my cage is made out of. Same pond liner. Here, it's been a while. Pond liner, basically folded like a reverse present. Okay, my rainmaker. Got it on so you can see tiny holes in the box. Use the smallest drill bit you can find. And inside all those tiny holes I have filter cloth, gravel, and activated charcoal. Helps keep down the smell when you run your rainmaker. You only have to clean the water once a week. The ones on the side are for overflow. When the bottom gets clogged, it'll overflow and start dripping out of the sides instead of all the way up at the top against your cage. So when it starts dripping out of those, you know to pull this off and clean it out. Air pump tube here for the black tubing, just to be less visible, I got from a foot pump that's for an air mattress, actually. But this aquarium tube here that I use snaps right into most internal canister filters. You get the smallest diameter that they sell. And it snaps into most filters. This one's actually a 100-gallon pond pump that had an attachment on the top of it to fit inside the tube. So you're basically looking for just interesting little features to the pumps that will attach them to this tubing. I even take a piece of tubing to the store with me and try it out on different pumps. Flex tape works awesome for patching this pond liner. It's what I use to patch the holes I ran my power cord through. And it works. Glue hasn't tore it up, and it hasn't gotten any adhesives all over anything else. You put it on there dry and clean and let it dry before you run anything, and it works great. But yeah, there's a quick rundown, and this just goes up into the back of the box through another hole. And I put a clamp around it to keep it from being pulled backwards out. You can run that out of the cage and back in through the top as well. I do have another enclosure for amphibians that I did that with. But that's how I built my rain box.